I'll be putting this phone inside a refrigerator and then closing it so I can see what the inside of a refrigerator looks like when it's closed. Because honestly, like, look at this. See this? Look at it. And then I don't close it all the way. Just look at this. I close, and then it's not fully closed, but look. Look, we just turned out. See, look. I can still put my finger in the fridge. Okay, maybe the pinky. I can still touch the shelf, but the lights are off, so yeah, the lights can turn off. Turn off, it's not just some mythical thing. So yeah, let's see what it looks like today, and let's move this cheese whip. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. So that's what the inside of the refrigerator looks like. Hope that was cool. Subscribe. I decided to turn this into a YouTube video. I'm out. And like and comment. You know, all the usual shit you have to say.